Hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
Welcome back to Movers and Bakers, and today we're going to show you how to make Scottish chocolate tiffin!
I apologise to all Scots for that accent. So, to start with, we're going to start with our biscuits.
Yes.
So we're using digestives, aren't we?
Yeah.
Now, you can do this by hand in a bowl, but we want to get proper bashing, don't we? So, what we're going to do with these...
We're going to put them in this plastic bag.
Yeah, you can break them up a bit as you put them in. That will make it easier to bash them. So you can do this in a bowl if you want to, but we've done this in a bowl before and biscuit just flies everywhere, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we found it much easier and much more fun to do it in a bag. And then we're going to lay it out flat and we're going to have some fun, aren't we? Make sure when you break up your biscuits that you don't make them completely powder, that you leave some large chunks so you get that in your tiffin. There you go. I think that looks pretty good. And that was quite quick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, we have to make all our liquid melty bits, don't we? So for that, we need, I'm going to give you this to help you with that. We need some butter. What's this?
Golden syrup?
Golden syrup, that's right. It's going to make it lovely and sticky.
Now let's just put this last few drops in here.
Okay, that's our golden syrup. And to our butter and golden syrup, we're going to use that to stir it, so I'm going to hold it over. What are you going to put in?
Was it caster sugar?
It's sugar. You can use any sugar because it's all going to dissolve. And don't forget, we'll put the quantities for this recipe in the link below, so you can have a look there. We've got one more ingredient to put in.
Whoopsie.
Very important one. What are you putting in there?
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder. That's right.
Because otherwise it will be chocolate tiffin.
And then all we're going to do now is we're just going to heat it up very gently to melt everything together, right? So you need to make sure you melt down your butter completely, but you also need to stir it until your sugar's completely dissolved. And you can feel it on the bottom, can't you?
Yeah. But when you're done, the mixture should be like basically black water.
Black water. Make sure you don't cook it too much, otherwise we'll start losing some of the moisture. And that becomes really hard to mix it. So mix it and cook it just until the grains of sugar are completely dissolved. Are we there yet?
Can you check?
Do you want me to check? Sure. I think that's pretty good.
Okay, shall I turn it off?
Yes, please do. You've done a good job there. High five. So good job's done. Right, so we're going to put all this together. Oh, shall we put these in first?
Sure.
Yeah.
What were they?
Glacé cherries.
Glacé cherries.
Yep. Now they're very, very sticky. What else are we putting in?
Raisins, actually.
Raisins, that's right. So we're just going to mix those through, just to make sure it's gone all the way through that lovely oozing, like your sister would say, chocolate mix. And then, while Dillon's doing that, I'm just going to empty all these biscuits into a nice big bowl. That's a lot of biscuits.
Yeah.
We're going to have to stir this very carefully, aren't we? Let me pour it for you. That's all our chocolate done. There's your wooden spoon. I shall be bowl holder. Go on, give it a stir. Now, the difficult thing is to try not to eat it now, right?
No, the difficult thing is mixing it.
Mixing it. So you got to get right underneath. And
stir
not
it.
eating it, of course. That's the difficult thing as well.
Yeah. Can you please do it?
Sure.
Stiff.
It is stiff, isn't it? You need to get right underneath and scoop all the dry bits out, I know, and not spill it at the same time.
Ooh, we got so much.
We've got so much. Right, so this is then going to get tipped into
Our baking tray.
our baking tray. So I have lined this with some parchment paper, and that's just going to make it easier for us to take it out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
It's alright if it's crummy when you fall it, when it goes down, because you can easily flatten it down.
So start flattening it down with your spoon, and then after that, the easiest way to do it is to use the end of a rolling pin to squish it down. You want to try and compact it as much as you can. There we go. I think we're done.
Yeah.
Aren't we? All done. So that is our biscuit base.
Done.
done. What's left to do? There's only one thing left now.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
My favourite.
Is it your favourite?
Yeah.
So we just have some chocolate here. This is milk that we've used this time. And we've just melted it down in the microwave. So make sure you do it in short bursts so that it doesn't burn, because chocolate can burn and that's not good.
Yeah, like 10 seconds.
10 seconds, give it a stir, 10 seconds, give it a stir. We
Yeah.
keep doing that until it's melted, right? And all you're going to do now is you're going to pour it over and we're going to spread it across the top. So I'll hold your bowl for you. I'm going to dribble it everywhere. Woo. So cool. Make sure we get in the corners.
Right, and this is the last bit that I'm literally just putting on. There we go.
Awesome. And then what you're going to do with that?
Spread it out.
You got to work fast because chocolate will set, won't it?
So I've only got this last bit left. I'm just going to spread this out.
You have to be really careful when you're spreading chocolate. So that's why it was really important to bash the bit before down really well so we get a nice smooth surface. Otherwise, you're going to get lots of bits of biscuit and things in your top layer of chocolate. And that is our tiffin finished. So now all we have to do is we have to wait for the chocolate to cool and set. So you can leave it outside, but that will take a long time.
Long time.
So we're going to put this in the fridge, aren't we?
Yeah.
And it should take no more than an hour to set.
And then we'll see you on the other side.
So our tiffin's out of the fridge. Okay, so we've got to take it out of the tin. Do you want to help me? Lift, lift. Oh, strong boy. Well done. Yeah. Would you like to try a bit?
Yes, please.
Show everyone what it looks like as well. So we've got the biscuit. We can see the bits of biscuit. Yeah, and we can see there's some cherries and some raisins in that piece with yummy chocolate on top. Are you going to tell us how it is? Is it good? Yeah. Good. That's it. That's how easy it is to make chocolate tiffin. Where's it from?
Scotland.
That's how easy it is to make chocolate tiffin. Absolutely no problem, great fun and very delicious, right? If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and do... Oh, wait for it.
Subscribe.
Subscribe! Yes!
And like.
And like, and share,
And subscribe.
and join us next time.
Yeah.
Bye!
And tiffin,
Oh!
it only takes like maybe 15 minutes. Well, an hour and 15 minutes because it needs to cool.
Sure. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye! I'm gonna have some too.